Select your patient from the list and create a new case. Choose the orthodontics workflow. Choose the doctor and the assistant working on the case and then click Scan. Scan the arch highlighted in blue. In this case, the upper arch. Scan first the occlusal area, then move to either the lingual or buccal, depending on your preference. The yellow arrows serve as guides. They tell the operator to go over the incisal area to connect the data on the facial and lingual. Check the scan after processing. Move the scan around to see any voids patched by the AI algorithm. If you want to focus on filling the voids in one specific area, use the lock scanning view so the image stays in place. Find the appropriate scanner orientation to fill in the voids. Hold the scanner in place until the purple marks are filled in with data. If scan is good, move on to the opposing arch. Do a long press on the scanner button to use the remote control function. Do short presses to move from one tile to the next. Do a long press again to confirm your selection. Scan the opposing arch, use the same scanning pattern. A continuous scanning path is a key to accuracy and smoother workflow. It makes it easier for the scanner to stitch the images together and lessen the voids. Click the scanner button to process the data. Double-check again if you have obtained the data you need. Move on to take the bite scans. You may either click the icon on top or use the remote function again. Use a zigzag up and down motion from posterior moving anteriorly. Bite scan is complete once the upper and the lower arch come into occlusion. Repeat the bite scan on the left side. Click Check to optimize data and clean up the scan. Processing time may differ depending on how many images were taken by the scanner. After optimization, the software converts the scan to a more real-life looking 3D image. Click Output to save your scan. When the data is saved, you can now use the viewer to review the scan. You have successfully completed the orthodontic workflow.